Please subscribe the programming packs and press the bell icon button for more videos. Before starting my video, I want to show you my blog where I have written step by step how to create a database in Python with MySQL database. Okay, so I have written a step by step to create a database and the code of it, right? And with the screenshots and like how to check if your database exists SQL. So you can see come and see step by step how to use code. Okay, now we will start a video. In last video, we have checked how to connect a database with a Python. In this video, we will see how to create a database in a Python. I have already written a code which is connecting my Python to a database. Now I will write a code which will help me to create a database. Okay, so I write my db cursor my connection dot cursor. So cursor is a method which will help me to create a database when I will execute it. So if you want to see the definition of a cursor, you can control shift I and you can see the cursor definition, like how it's connecting in a data working in a data Python. Okay, so you can see the behind this code is running, right? Okay, so now I will write a cursor method and in next line I will execute this my db dot execute, right? Same way you can see the what execute is working over here. Okay, in cursor ctext py, so you can go through all this code as well to see how the backend operations work in Python, right? Execute, and I can just write over here create database, and now I'll write the database name which I need to create, right? Hemant Python database, right? This will be the name of my database. Okay, so now I will run this program. So okay, so if this code executed with no errors, it means you have successfully created a database, right? Now we will check our database name is exist or not, right? So what I need to do now, I'll just comment this line. Now we'll see my db dot execute. Okay, and I'll write or show databases, right? Then write for x in my db, and it will print all the databases so we can check our database exists in MySQL database or not, right? So now I will run this. See, this all the database present, and we have created Hemant Python database and it is present right in my database. Okay, thanks. So if the database does not exist, you will get an error. Okay, so thank you. Please keep subscribing my channel. In next video we will see how to create a table in MySQL.